Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're talking about flash flooding, and we're answering the question, is flash flooding covered by flood insurance? So when it comes to flash flooding, this is what's happening a lot across the country right now, as areas get sometimes 3 to 5 inches of rain in just an hour. Exactly what happened in New York, where flash flood emergencies occur. And what we hear from people every day is that going to be covered by my flood insurance? Remember, in order for a flood insurance to pay out, one of two conditions have to exist. Either 2 properties have to be inundated with water that would normally dry, or 2 acres. So it's really important to understand that. Now, on the 2 properties, it could be something as simple as your property and a city street. But one of the properties impacted needs to be your property. So when it comes to flash flooding and being covered by flood insurance, this is how it works. Now, it's important to understand, if you have time of flash flooding and you have flood insurance, paying attention to loss avoidance, things that could possibly be covered up to $1,000, like filling sandbags, moving property to higher ground to help you minimize the damage that you have. These are some things to understand when it comes to flash flooding. Now, many times in flash flooding situations, you just don't have time because the water rises so quickly, like what happened in New York, what happened in Waverly, Tennessee, what happened in Wimberley, Texas many years ago. So if you've got questions about flash flooding, flood insurance coverages, how do you minimize your property from flooding? Click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this right here. Your flood insurance and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.